Are you ready for the industry secret? Are you ready for the magic method?
No, you're not. Here's the intro to get you ready. Okay, so you stayed for the intro. I can kind of trust you now. So let me tell you the secret to how to lose 10 pounds in 10 days. Come closer. You can't lose 10 pounds in 10 days. Everyone saying otherwise is lying. Will fit tea make you lose that weight? Yes, because it's a diuretic and a laxative, not because it's magic. Will fasting make you lose a lot of weight really quick? Well, yes, of course. Because it depletes your body of glycogen. You'll put that weight back on the moment you breathe near a carb. Will a water cut right before you step on the scale help you with losing 10 pounds? So I just realized that a water cut might not be common knowledge. It's a process that athletes go through in order to cut off a big chunk of their weight by reducing the water amount in their body. It's used in order to make weight class, and it's really, really unhealthy. Yeah, absolutely. It must. I mean, everybody does it. Because you're severely dehydrated and on the verge of dying. Of course, all of those kind of almost work, but only temporarily. So if you have like one night where you got to impress people and you think that losing weight is what you got to do, or you have just that one outfit that you want to wear just once in your life, but it's been too tight since you bought it, this might actually work for you. You will feel like shit the whole time, but it will work for you. So, why does this not work? Well, I can prove it to you with math. And you said you'll never use it in real life. I'll assume that all that you want to lose is fat. And 10 pounds of fat in 10 days means a pound a day. So that's equivalent of 3,500 calories burned in one day. Let's assume that we're working with like the perfect conditions, the ideal genetic condition. Let's assume that in these 10 days, you won't be losing any muscle and your non-exercise activity thermogenics stay the same. So, neat. Is the energy used for anything that is not part of your training? That includes walking, fidgeting, spreading Nutella on a piece of bread. And you burn 2,500 calories a day just to maintain your body going, which is the average for a male. If you're a woman, this is even harder for you, I'm sorry. So that leaves you with 1,000 calories you have to burn extra, even though you haven't ate anything all day, so you can use all those 2,500 calories. So how would that look like? So you didn't eat anything all day. You are starving. So now you have to do 10 sets of 10 minutes of rope jumping. Maybe you don't like rope jumping. Maybe you just want to switch it up for one day. Well, you on your empty stomach could go swim for 2 hours. Or maybe all you want to do is be in the gym and do all of your exercises in the gym. Well, that would leave you with a 50-minute session of really, really intense battle ropes at the beginning and at the end of your workout. Can you imagine if somebody could actually try to sell this plan? Are you tired of all these fat diets and fat nutrition programs that never work? Do you want to see actual change in 10 days? This is not a program for beginners. This is not a program for anybody that even thought they might be a beginner. This program is do or die, a 10-day challenge that promises to rip fat off your body. Done. Let's say that you specifically are a genetic freak and you can survive doing this for 10 days. If that's you, please donate your body to research. Most people will get themselves hospitalized within the first 48 hours of trying this. So let's say that you are not ready to die for a couple pounds less. What are the other options? Let's say that you think that your ideal standard of beauty for yourself would be you at 20 pounds less. That means that you want to look like that for a long time. You want to look like your ideal self, ideally, forever. All that means is that a quick fix that is going to last for maybe up to 3 months is not what you need. You need a permanent change. When you get to the ideal weight you want, whatever that weight is, whether it's you gaining 60 pounds or you losing 50 pounds, the problem is that you have to keep it there. So if you're trying to gain weight and you finally get to your ideal weight level, you can't eat as much as you did when you were incredibly skinny, let's say. That also applies for losing weight. If you're used to it in a caloric surplus and you would keep gaining weight over time, over and over again, you need to solve that issue. No magic diet is going to keep you slim after you got there. That's on you. So the ugly solution is focusing on lifestyle changes. It would be you taking care of your diet. It would be you focusing on getting a little bit more exercise in your routine on a daily basis. They are sustainable, lifelong changes that get you to where you want to look. After you got there, you just have to adjust a little. And that's it. With a diet that will promise you to lose 10 pounds in 10 days, chances are you'll get it all back in less than 10. I know this is not the answer you wanted to hear, and it's an uncomfortable truth. But it's better than getting lied to and having somebody giving you hopes just to let you down in the end. So if you want to see a little less BS on your feed, you should subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.